Hi everyone, just a quick update for you for GSR 615. We are in week 6 of our course, and next week we will be starting the research design presentations, which are due starting March 5th in the course discussion forum. If you'll recall from the course announcements, which are located here, that on February 10th you were assigned a research design topic. I assigned these to you based on the results of the survey that you completed early in the semester indicating your topic choices. If you did not complete the survey, I assigned a topic for you. If you have any questions about your topic assignment or the research design presentation, you're welcome to contact me for additional help by email. Hopefully this presentation should answer most of your questions. If you would like additional information, you can also find it in our course. If you click on course content and then look at the week 6 and 7 module in D2L. Too far here. Week 6 and 7 under research designs. That will take you to an overview page, as you see here, week 6 and 7 research designs, telling you what you should be focusing on for week 6. So for example, your research purpose, problem statement, and research questions, and working on the journal assignment, which is coming up due here this week. This will allow me to give you feedback and make sure that you're on the right track with your research. In addition, you should also be working on that research design presentation, which you will be presenting next week in the class discussion forum. Information about how to put together that research presentation is located here under the week 7 assignments and activities. If you click on research design presentation, that will take you to where you will submit the assignment, and then it also provides some short details here on what you need to do. You will essentially take your selected research design. So for example, if you were assigned narrative research, you will develop a short presentation on narrative research. You can use information that is contained within our course textbook. You can use information that is contained in the PowerPoints that are located within this week 6 and 7 research design module. For example, there are PowerPoints that are already linked here for you. So if you are doing a narrative research presentation, you'll want to read the chapter 15 on narrative research designs. You'll want to look at this chapter 15 PowerPoint for additional ideas. And then you'll also want to look at research that uses narrative research designs, because in your presentation you will be including an example research article that demonstrates the use of this research method. That's part of the assignment, so you will create either a PowerPoint, a Prezi, Google Slides presentation that tells the class about what a narrative research design, or whatever topic, if you're doing survey, correlation research, action research, ethnography, on whatever topic you've been assigned, you will create a presentation that tells the class a little bit more about that research design, and then you will include a relevant example of a research article that uses that design. Once you've completed your PowerPoint, Prezi, or whatever software you want to use to create a presentation, wanted to make note that you are not required to do voiceover or video of yourself giving the presentation. However, I do recommend that it is good practice to do so. It can create a lot more engaging presentation, but it's not required for your grade. Once you've completed your presentation, then you will want to post that in the corresponding discussion forum. If you'll notice, back in the week 6 and 7 module, there are discussion forums already set up for you under the assignments and activities section in the module. So if you are doing that narrative design presentation, you'll click on the narrative research designs discussion topic, and you will post your presentation there. During the week, you'll want to make sure to check in and make sure no one has any questions about your research design presentation, and answer any questions that students post for you. You'll also want to take a look at the other presentations that your classmates have shared, and this way you can learn a lot more about all of the many different research designs that you have available to you. Hopefully this assignment will help everyone to learn more about your selected research design and possibly other research designs that you might want to consider for your education research. If you have additional questions about the expectations for this assignment, please feel free to contact me by email at jmcginty, it's jmcginty @iup.edu. Have a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing your presentations in the discussion forum starting next week.